Other top stories tonight, the flu has turned deadly in the upstate. And tonight, doctors are urging people to get their flu shot, saying it is not too late. Fox Carolina's Brandon Livornia is live outside Greenville Memorial Hospital.
And Brandon, from those you spoke with, are they taking the flu season extra serious this year?
You know, I spoke with doctors and all the patients today, and everyone I spoke with say, that death is obviously very alarming. I did speak with a couple people, though, that aren't taking it too seriously and say they're still not planning to get their flu shot. But doctors are urging everyone in the upstate and around the state to go ahead and do so this year. Shiva Mirage has worked as a nurse for the last 8 years. He says it's always obvious when flu season starts.
When flu season hits, you know it. People come in, all of them have the relatively same symptoms.
According to doctors around the upstate, the season has started slow.
Flu is increasing in the community. We're seeing more cases, certainly within both children and adults.
But DHEC announced it started off on a tragic note. According to DHEC officials, a patient in the upstate was the first lab-confirmed flu-associated death this season. DHEC keeps track of cases around the state. Dr. Christian Montagano expects the number of positive tests to increase as the months go on.
But we've had a lot of influenza-like illnesses come through our department. Cough, fever, chills, body ache, sore throat, kind of mimickers of the flu, but not a lot of positive flu tests.
According to DHEC's most recent findings, there have been 107 influenza cases and 7 people were hospitalized around the state. There have been 5 cases in Greenville County in the past few weeks. So how do you protect yourself from getting the flu? Well, one way is practicing good hygiene practices like washing your hands after being in a public place. Another way is covering your mouth when you have to cough or sneeze, but doing it this way instead of on your hands so you don't spread it if you do have it. But if you are unfortunate to succumb to the flu, you need to go to the doctor and have yourself tested so they can report those statistics to DHEC so they can see how the flu season is going and see if there's any new strains they need to worry about.
Helps us know how well the vaccine is going to be likely to protect people, and it also helps us detect if there's a new emergent of a different flu strain. We can detect that more readily and quickly.
Dr. LaCroix says if you haven't gotten your shot, it's not too late. Now, we spoke with medical experts from ANMED and Spartanburg Regional, and both of them told me that the flu season is also starting pretty slow over there as well. So overall, pretty slow start, but again, they're very much encouraging people to go get that flu shot now instead of later. In Greenville County, Brandon Livornia, Fox Carolina, the 10 o'clock news.